What you got, Sophie?
Fish.
Fish? Whoa. What's that?
Hello.
Hippo. So nice. Whoops. Push those out of the way. What's next? Bear.
All done.
All done. Where's the bear gonna go? Right there? Next. Okay. It's a good choice. Sophie, can you bring Mommy the car? There we go. That way it's out of your way. Thank you. What's that? Lion.
Yeah.
What? Giraffe? Good job, Peanut.
Aggie.
Oh, he's gonna go in? That's a good place for him. That's a good place for him.
Yeah.
Giraffe. What's next?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Quail. What's that?
All done.
Iguana. Where's he gonna go? Right there?
No. No.
Rhino. And what else is that? What's that? Koala.
Dan.
Whoop! He fell through. You do it? Okay. So nice. I like him right there. That's so nice.
Adam.
Oh, now the bear's turn.
Two.
Are you all done?
Hey.